Alright, I don't think there's any wind advisories right now, but we are at my high school in the parking lot. Trucks facing east, cameras facing towards the football field. My anemometer's recording up at 24 miles per hour. That's it. It's been sitting about 10 minutes now. I'm guessing it's getting up more like 34. I think that thing's about 10 miles per hour off. We'll bring it over here. Say about 24. What it's recording, but this whole truck is rocking. There is grass actually being picked up off the grass, if that makes any sense, and this trash can is probably going to blow away. And I just want to post this clip to show you what's going on.